Jasmy coin is another symbolic that has been acquiring consideration in the realm of advanced monetary standards. It's the main Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two organizations and individuals with remarkable and creative information stockpiling prospects. How about we investigate it closer and make some Jasmy coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is a new blockchain project from Japan. It was sent off in October 2021 by the Improvement Group, Kunitake Ando, Kazumasa Sato, Masanobu Yoshida, and Hiroshi Harada. The blockchain innovation created by Jasmy expects to reestablish and shield individual information control. It joins conventional Web of Things with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to administer their own information safely. Jasmy's decentralized blockchain has worked to safeguard clients' information and give them absolute command over how and when it is used. To do as such, the Jasmy network utilizes Interplanetary Record Framework, or IPFS, which joins Shrewd Protector and Security Information Communicator. The undertaking likewise offers its clients individual information storage where they can securely keep their data. The objective is to lay out a setting where clients would really control their information and choose how to utilize it. IoT gadgets will be a wellspring of new information that develops in the information storage. JASMY is intended to be an installment digital currency. Organizations who need to gain admittance to client information can do as such by getting it and paying in JASMY. This lifts the opportunities for information subordinate associations to gather information, which is commonly challenging to drop by. It is guessed that the worth of the information will ascend as the market develops. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Jasmy Coin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Jasmy Coin will be $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Likely return for capital invested. 80% by JASMY value figure for January 2023 in view of the value variances of Jasmy Coin toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical JASMY pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. Likely return for capital invested. 20% by February 2023. Jasmy Coin value figure. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the JASMY cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Jasmy Coin may be around $0. Likely return on initial capital investment. 20% by JASMY value gauge for WALK 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Jasmy Coin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal JASMY rate they anticipate may be around $0 WALK 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. Expected return for capital invested. 20% by April 2023. Jasmy Coin value estimate around mid-year 2022. The JASMY cost will be exchanged at $0 in large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Jasmy Coin worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment. 40% by JASMY value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Jasmy Coin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The most reduced and top JASMY rates may be $0. Possible return for capital invested. 40% by June 2023. Jasmy Coin value gauge. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the JASMY cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the Jasmy Coin cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 40% by JASMY value gauge for July 2023. Having examined Jasmy Coin costs, digital money specialists expect that the JASMY rate could arrive at a limit of $0 July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0. For July 2023, the determined normal of Jasmy Coin is almost $0. Possible return for money invested. 40% by August 2023. Jasmy Coin value figure around mid-2022. The Jasmy Coin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the JASMY cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0. Likely return for capital invested. 60% by Jasmy value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Jasmy coin worth won't dip under at least $0. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. Expected return for capital invested 60% by October 2023. Jasmy coin value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Jasmy costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Jasmy coin will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. Likely return for capital invested 60% by Jasmy value conjecture for November 2023. In light of the value variances of Jasmy coin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Jasmy pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. Possible return for money invested 80% by December 2023. Jasmy coin value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Jasmy cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the most extreme could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Jasmy coin may be around $0. Expected return on initial capital investment 80% by Jasmy coin value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Jasmy coin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Jasmy coin will be around 1 cent. The most extreme expected Jasmy cost might be around 1 cent. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 1 cent in 2024. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Jasmy coin in 2025, Jasmy is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 1 cent and 1 cent, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Jasmy coin and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Jasmy cost could drop to 2 cents, while its most extreme can reach 3 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 2 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Jasmy coin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Jasmy costs are normal in 2027, 4 cents and 3 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 3 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Jasmy coin. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Jasmy cost will be around 5 cents. It could drop to at least 5 cents, however it actually could reach 6 cents all through 2028. Jasmy coin value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready figures at the cost of Jasmy coin. It is assessed that Jasmy will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 9 cents in 2029. Its typical